Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today talking about V2 Mini Folding Drone Wi-Fi Remote Control Aircraft. Okay, here we go to the video. Small size and multiple skills. 4K pixels gesture, photo, and video. Speed control. Embedded design, all-in-one and easy to carry. Camera on palm. 12 minutes battery life with upgrade modular battery. Small and convenient, as light as a phone. Lightweight body and mini folding. Rookie controls 0 basics to get started easily. Equipped with HD camera and excellent optical reducing power. Air pressure automatic hovering. Anti-shake shooting and effectively improve sharpness. Real-time HD video transmission. 360-degree stunt roll. Track flight. Can be equipped with VR. Gesture, photo, and video. Voice control. One-touch operation to take off, landing, and return. Headless mode. For more details, link is in the description. What do you guys think about this video? Remember to press the like button. Send your questions, suggestions if you have. Okay, friends, be a good person. Bye bye. So, I'm gone.